Plant-forward eating is one of the most significant culinary megatrends underway in America and in global food service. It's changing how chefs think about menus, flavor development, creativity, and their customers. So what do we mean when we say plant-forward? It's a style of cooking and eating that emphasizes and celebrates, but is not limited to, plant-based foods. Most diners understand that our planet cannot sustain a growing global population with our current meat-centered diets. And chefs around the world are in a unique and pivotal position to help lead the transformation to sustainable, healthy, and delicious plant-based dining. Inside the Plant-Forward Kitchen is the first edition of a new video education series from the Culinary Institute of America and Unilever Food Solutions, a first-of-its-kind video reference library documenting the best of plant-forward cuisine. In this volume, we explore the markets and farms, kitchens and restaurants of Los Angeles and the San Francisco Bay Area, as their leading chefs discuss ingredients and demonstrate culinary techniques in step-by-step detail. In this documentary, we begin in Los Angeles and talk to Wolfgang Puck, who is at the vanguard of bringing plant-forward cuisine to American food service in the 1980s. Next, we venture to A.O.C, where Chef Suzanne discusses how she came to embrace rustic farm-to-table cuisine. We'll experience the imaginative vegetable creations at the Mediterranean-inspired Kismet, the locally sourced organic vegan offerings at Cafe Gratitude. And finally, we'll head down the Pacific Coast Highway to Malibu, where we learn about the unique farm-to-table cuisine at Malibu Farm Restaurant with Chef Patel. Heading north to California's Bay Area, we meet with three-Michelin-star chef Connaughton of SingleThread Farm and Restaurant in Healdsburg. And Chef Heena Patel of Besharam in San Francisco shows us her bold interpretation of the dishes from her childhood in India. So join us inside the Plant-Forward Kitchen as we take a lesson in creative cooking from California chefs who are on the leading edge of this culinary megatrend.